I have earned almost $10,000 by selling digital products without spending dollar on ads. I also have created my own ebook using Canva and sold 100+ copies through my landing page. You can see the landing page and the ebook that I created on Canva. So let's be honest, because most of the people dream making money online, but very few people actually can succeed on this journey. I know because I have been there. A few years ago, I also desperately searching for ways to earn money, and I tried everything because many YouTubers saying do dropshipping, do freelancing, do blogging. I did everything, but every method failed, either too complicated, too expensive, or too competitive, because dropshipping need to invest for Facebook ad, and freelancing has the competition, and blogging needed months or years to make $1 from it. At that point, I started asking myself, is there any real way to make money online that actually works? That's when I found something that completely changed my journey. Is called digital product. Unlike physical product, digital product don't require inventory or shipping or a warehouse. You create them once and sell them over and over again. A digital product is anything you can sell online that doesn't have a physical form. You can sell ebook, graphics template, online courses and tutorials. Also the printables and PDF, software and SaaS product, music and sound effect. Also the template kit, design knowledge. You can also sell your website template kit. You don't need to ship or restock or handle customer complaints about late delivery. So how you can find a unique digital product that actually people can buy it? So here is a big mistake most beginner makes, because they pick a random product and hope people will buy it. They create something nobody is searching for. If you want to make sales fast, follow this rule, because if you want to sell fast, you need to find this problem, then sell the solution. People don't buy product, they buy solution to their problem. People don't buy a fitness ebook, they buy a way to lose weight. People don't buy a resume template, they buy a way to get a job. People don't buy a social media template, they buy a way to grow their business. Fastest way to find what people want is by checking a real world demand. If you visit on Facebook library, if you see an ad that running from a long time, that means this product is selling and has the high demand. That's why they are spending on money on their ad. If you don't want to create a product from scratch, you can sell PLR or MRR products. PLR means a ready-made digital product that you can rebrand and sell as your own, and MRR product came with a resale license. This is one of the fastest way to start a selling digital product without even creating anything. Just buy a product, add your brand and list it for sale. So you have a product or created a digital product. Now how do you sell it? So most people take the easiest route. They try to selling through Facebook message or groups or online marketplace. I know because I did the same, and let me tell you, it doesn't work. Here is what happen when you try to sell this way. If you are trying to sell through Facebook message, you send hundreds of messages, but most people will ignore them. If you are trying to sell through marketplace, your product get lost among thousands of similar listings. And if you are trying to sell through Facebook ads, you spend money, get some clicks, but barely get any sale. At first I thought maybe my product wasn't good enough, but after testing different methods, I realized the real problem. People don't trust random seller on Facebook. Also, if you are trying to sell on marketplace, make your product look cheap and replaceable. And also the most people hesitate to buy when there is no proper branding in your website. Think about it. Will you buy from a random person messaging you on Facebook? Probably not, because trust matters. Selling online isn't just about having a product, it's about selling the right way. A high converting website changes everything. It builds trust. A professional site makes you look real business. But just having a website is not enough. Here is another mistake most people make. They build a website but it doesn't convert. I have seen it happen over and over because there are boring design. People leave without buying and they has no branding. People think it's fake or untrustworthy and has the complicated checkout. Customer gets frustrated and leave their checkout and they don't buy it from the website. That's why I don't just tell people to build a website, I tell them to build a high converting website. And I know what you're thinking, but websites are expensive and hard to build, and honestly if you don't know what you are doing there, which is why I created a ready-made high converting website template. Since I struggle with this myself, I built a solution for you. So if you visit this website projos.com/showboss and click on this start a business and scroll down, here you will see that I have created a website template that comes with fully ready to launch. so you no need to build or design anything. It's made for people who want to sell digital product like courses, template, ebook, software and more without wasting setting up a website from scratch. Let me show you the live preview first of this website, how it looks. So here you can see that website homepage is come with the hero section, category section and the best selling categories option also included. You can see all the feature by clicking that live preview option. Let me show you that the website product landing page, how it looks. Here you can see that the product landing page has the professional look and the layout also responsive, and it has all the feature that an e-commerce and digital product selling website needed. So you can sell anything on this website. Here you can see that the related product. You can see that this website is also mobile responsive. Let me show you how it looks. See, it's fully responsive on mobile devices. If you chose your template, then you can buy it from the Buy Me Coffee. You can purchase it using your credit card or Cash App or PayPal. It's easy to purchase. You just have to fill up your name and email and pay with a credit card or Cash App. And after you purchase, you will get a zip file that you need to extract. Okay, so after purchasing our website template, the next thing you need is a domain and a hosting. So without them, your website won't be live on the internet. You don't know what's your domain or hosting. Domain name is basically your website name, like yourstore.com. If you visit our website prozo.com/shobuz.digital, so the prozo.com is our website address. Choose a domain name that is short, easy to remember and related to your business. Pick the right domain name is not just about branding, it helps your website to rank higher on Google. So let me explain you why. If you search for digital product, you might see a website like called digitalproductsbd.com ranking on the first page. Why? Because the domain name has the exact word digital product, which make it more relevant into search query. Let's take another example. Suppose you are selling PLR licensed product. If you search for PLR product, a website like plr.me, plrproducts.com and ID PLR, the PLR store could show up on the first page of Google. That's because the domain name is the keyword people are searching for. So that's the reason people are making thousands of dollars just by selling digital product, and they are not spending money on Google ads or Facebook ads. They are selling organically. That's how they are doing. Also me, that I sell generated almost 10k plus using this organic method. What you should do when you pick a domain name, so try to include words that describe your business or product. For example, if you sell digital product, choose something like bestdigitalproduct.com. If you sell gaming related, then you can pick a name that came with Game Pass store. Here is a bonus tip that if you want to rank your website faster, then you can buy an old domain instead of buying new one. So let me explain you why. Because an old domain has the DA and PA, that mean DA mean domain authority and PA mean page authority, that combine is SEO value. So this Google trusts that website, and so your website can rank faster than starting from zero. If you buy a new domain, it will be time consuming period will take to get that domain authority. If you buy a new domain, it will take almost 1 year to get that domain authority. Instead of buying new one, you can buy a old domain. For example, if you buy a fresh domain, it takes time to build authority. But if you get an old domain that has already backlink and ranking history, you can skip the waiting time and start ranking sooner. Okay, so how to buy an S domain? If you have enough budget, you can purchase an old domain from this platform called flippa.com. So here you can buy domain also with the website. That means you don't have to create another website. You can buy with domain and website. If you want separate video on that topic, I will make it. Or if you want to buy an S domain, you need to check something before you buy, because if has that Google Palantir or low quality backlink, it will not work as you thinking. First of all, you need to check the domain authority and then backlink quality and then no Google penalties. So you can check it by searching anything on website like DAPA checker. If you open any website here and paste that URL link and check the DAPA, you can see the page authority, backlink quality, quality backlink 90%, and the domain age and the spam score. You must need to check the spam score, because if this higher like 10 to 20%, then you should avoid that domain. If you are on a low budget, a new domain is fine, but an OS domain can help you to rank faster if you can afford it. After getting your domain, the next step is hosting. This is where all your website file images and content are will be stored. So think of hosting like renting a space on the internet, just like a shop needs a physical location. You need a hosting so that visitor can access your website. So when someone types your website name, like if I search projos.com/showboz, and the hosting server delivered the image, like this image, this content, everything are stored on the hosting. So without hosting, your website will not be exist online, or people cannot see it. Why is hosting so important? Because a good hosting provider makes you sure your website load faster. Also, your website should be available 24/7 without frequent crash or anything happen on this website. Also, the security and protection. Hosting keeps your data safe from hackers. Also, is effect on the SEO and ranking, because the fast secure website rank higher on Google. Why to buy a good hosting? If you have enough budget or have technical knowledge, you can go with the SiteGround, because it's best for speed, security and SEO. Great if you have budget and technical skill. And if you are a beginner, then I will suggest you to go with Hostinger, because it's affordable and easy to manage and perfect for beginner. I also use Hostinger for 2 years. If you are looking for a affordable hosting, then you can go with the Hostinger, because it's a great choice. If you buy a hosting, then you will get a free domain also, so you don't have to pay extra for the domain. If you scroll down here, you will see an discount coupon link. Just click on claim here, claim offer, and it will be redirect you to the Hostinger. And scroll down, you will see 2 packages here, Premium Business, Cloud Startup. I will recommend you to go with the business one, because this provide free CDN. Without the CDN, your website will be slow in other countries. If you speak in a server like India, then the visitor are from India, they can access in super fast. But if any visitor came from USA, Canada, then your website will be slow. You also get better performance and security if you pick this plan. Okay, now click on this choose plan. You can buy 48 months or 12 months to get the free domain. You can see that here are the discount is 71%, and if you visit with my referral link, then you also get the 20%. So the price will be $153 for 48 months. So you can go with the 12 month if you don't have enough budget. So you will get a free domain if you purchase. So the price will be $38.30. So you can go with this plan, sign up with Google, or you can also sign up with GitHub. Let me log in it first, because I have an account already. If you don't have an account, then sign up with this. So in this part, you will see what you will get on this plan. You will get 12 month and daily backups, domain name, a free domain name, set up a domain privacy protection. They provide so much feature if you buy from Hostinger, and if you buy hosting from another provider, they will not provide you the domain privacy protection, a free domain. So this one is cheaper for beginner who wants to start their business. So fill up your billing details, then you can pay with credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Alipay, CoinGate. So you can pay in a minute using your credit card. So after purchasing, it will redirect you to this page. Here you need to select what you want. So I will click on create a website. then click on next. And here you can see that how do you want to build your website. We will use WordPress, so we'll select WordPress, and here you need to provide your username and the password. So this will be your WordPress login information whenever you log in on WordPress. So this email address and password will be needed. So just write your email and password here, then click on next. Now you can create a website using AI, or you can select a pre-built website and themes. We will click on create a blank website. We will not gonna use any of this. Here you need to select your domain. If you purchase the 12-month plan, then you will get a free domain. Just write the domain name that you want to claim. You can claim from here also. You can claim the domain from the dashboard. Already had domain, so I will type that and select that. You can type any domain that are available or not owned yet. You can buy it from this section, or you can claim it from the dashboard. So I have created a subdomain for this tutorial, so I'll select that. And if you buy that 12-month plan, you can claim any domain from this section. Now we will click on install WordPress. So it will take some time to install the WordPress, so we need to wait, and our account are preparing to create. Now you can see that our website has been installed. And now click on the screen option and disable everything because it not needed. Okay, now we will see how to set up the website template or the source code. Click on this plugin option and click on add new plugin. Now search here Updraft. And install this Updraft plus WP backup and migration plugin. And then click on this active button to active this plugin. Now click on this Updraft plus option. From this section we can restore the website in a click. So let me show you the website how it looks now. This is a blank page, nothing is here. It's just a blog page showing here. This is a WordPress default theme are installed and the basic landing page. Buy any of this template kit, then you will get that website template kit or the Updraft file. So I shown you before that what you will get after you purchase. So we will use the Updraft to restore the site so that our website looks similar see on the preview. So for that we click on this ready-made website Updraft file. You will see the backup file are given. You just need to upload it on this Updraft option. To restore the website, you click on this upload backup file and just select all the backup file and just paste it here. So the website file will be uploaded here. After the website template kit uploaded done, you can restore the website, and I'll show you that how it looks after you restore the site. Now you can see that our backup file is now uploaded completed. Now you can click on this restore button and click on this and select everything. Plugin things upload must use plugin other database. Now click on this next button. So about this thing, just click on restore. So it will take some time to restore. Now you can see that restore successful. Now click on this return to Updraft plugin. So here you need to provide the email and password. On this section, your login details that you have given on the hosting guide, it will not work here. You need to put the login portion that has given on this installation guide. That is the username and here is the password. Now you see our backup has been stored. You can see the website preview by clicking this visit website. You can see that our website has now completed, restore completed, and here you can see the website is similar like the preview that we saw before. So once your website is restored, there are a few important steps that you need to take to make it more secure and personalized. Go to the user section and click on this edit and change the password. Click on this set a new password and change the password from here. Okay, set a strong password to protect your site, and you can change the email from this section, administrator email address. Change this email address from the setting and general option. Now you need to change the site title. Site title mean it will be your website title like Projos. Then you need to set a tagline. Tagline means it will be a short slogan that describes your brand. We will type here digital product store, etc. Now you need to add the favicon. A favicon is the small icon that appears in the browser tab. Here you can see that Hostinger favicon is here appearing here. So click on the side icon and upload file. Click on this upload file and click on select file. From here upload a logo and click on this set as a site favicon. Then scroll down, click on save changes. Now you can see that our website title, favicon and also the slogan has been updated. So that's how you can change the site title and tagline from here. Now let's see how to customize everything. So how to change this logo, how to change the category option, how to do everything. I will show you from step by step. So first of all, let's see how to customize this header section. Click on this customize option. Now click on this header option. Now if you want to change this logo, click on this option and select a logo. To change the logo, you need to upload a logo with horizontal size. We'll click on upload file and click on select file and upload your logo and click on select, and you can see that our logo has been changed. If you want to resize the logo, just by doing this. So if you wanna change the menu, I will show you that later on this video. And here you can see that search icon, card and the button. So if someone didn't log in your website, they can only see this button. So if they already logged in, they will not see. That's why I choose it to logged out only, because I don't want to see that again to the login user. So you can set the link where the visitor will go. Also you can change the text from here, login sign up. Okay, so how you can change your footer, logo and the text element. So let me show you how you can do that. The footer section is created using the Elementor. To change the logo and the content, you need to edit with Elementor. To edit that footer section, just click on this edit with Elementor and click on this Elementor footer section. Okay, now you can change it anything from this section. So if you want to change this logo, just click on this pencil icon and click on the choose image to you can change it. Now select anything, and if you don't upload it, you can upload it from this section. So I'll select this logo, You can see that our logo is now changed. We will click on publish, and if we refresh the page and scroll down, you can see that our logo is now changed. So if you want to resize the logo or increase the height width, then you can do that by clicking this style option. Change the logo height width, then you can do like this. Okay, so if you want to change the WhatsApp number or email, you can do by clicking this icon, and here you need to write your WhatsApp number. Like if we write 017, so that's like you can change it anything. So if you want to add link, like if any person click on this text, that will be clickable if you add the link here. And so if you wanna link any pages, then create a page from this section, click on add new pages, and here just type the name. This is not a tutorial video about how to make a website or do everything. If you want a separate video on about how to design or create a website from scratch, then let me know in the comment section, so I'll make a step-by-step tutorial on the topic. So on this video I'll just show you the process how to set up this template. So here you can write what will be your FAQ or about the website, then click on publish. Then you will get the page address. Just copy that and paste it here, so the pages will be linked. If any visitor click here, so they will redirect to that page. So if you wanna change the text, you can also do that. Okay, so that's how you can change or customize the footer section as well as. Let me show you how you can change the button color or the text color. You can change the text color from this customize section, and then click on this color option. From here you can just change the hover color and the text color. If you set the hover color, like this is a link color, so just change it to any color you want. See, that's how it's changing the hover color. You can set any color you want from here. Okay. That's how you can change any color. This is text selection color. So that's how you can change color. And not only that, I will show you how you can change the add to cart color. So how you can change this color, like the button color, text color. So for that you need to edit with Elementor. So just visit that website or the page that you want to edit and click on this edit with Elementor. Let me show you how you can change this button color or add to cart color. Just click on the pencil icon and go to this style section and scroll down, and you will see a button option. Just change the background color to any color you want. You can also pick from here. So I'll select any color from this section. See, the button color is now changed. So that's how you can change the button color. Also the hover color from here. If you want any specific hover color here, like I will set it to this color. So if anyone hover on this button, so the color will be changed. Okay, so how you can add the category links, product category link. So for that, go back to the WordPress and click on this all product or the categories you have created. Just click on the any category and click on view. So we will see the link. Just copy it and link it here. So that's how you can link. So I know you have basic knowledge about WordPress. If you don't know, You can search tutorial on how to customize with Elementor, and I'll make a separate video on the topic how to edit. If I show everything on this video, the video will be long. So that's how you can customize easily, change color or do everything. Let me show you where you will find those free product that are mentioned with this template kit. So you will find those here on product, all product. Click on all product and scroll down. Just open any product, just click on this edit option and scroll down. You will find the download link here. You just have to create a PDF file and embed that link on it, upload that product. So if any customer buy this product, they will get the instant download link or the downloadable file.